Man.
So this is a Scoprega portable kite board pump, and we're going to pump it up.
Watch, I'm going to turn it on.
Well, why don't you show me when you pump up your kite?
Watch this. Very easy. One is on, off.
All right, let's try it. All right, so here we have Dr. Paul. He's about ready to pump it up.
9.0 meters.
We're going to pump up a 9-meter switchblade.
It should take about 38 seconds.
He says 38 seconds. We're going to time him. Let's do this. As you can see, he's very, very neat. Keeps everything orderly. Here he goes with his pump. So let's show me how you put that, put it on there. First of all, hang on, hold it. How did you get this in? Let's see how that is.
This is a little tricky.
All right, how's that work?
It's see, there's two little clips there, and there's a lip here that they put over.
Okay, so
it's tight, so I lick it before inserting.
That's
always good.
That's what she said. All right, you're on. All right, now let's see this side here.
Okay, we're going to put this.
So it holds the kite.
You have your leash. Well, it has a leash. There's a leash right here.
So how do you charge it up? So you charge it?
That is right here.
Okay, so it's got a 12-volt PC plug.
You can charge it from your car,
and it has a 30-amp fuse.
and you can charge it with your phone AC.
This is for the car?
Yeah.
For at home?
It's got a thing with clips on it. You can clip it right to the battery.
Okay.
So that.
Let's get her going. So you gotta put close your flow down. So we're gonna close that. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Tighten that up.
Once it's tight, we gotta get the cap off.
Cap.
Uncapify that.
Yes, Captain.
Capify that.
This it comes already made from the marinas.
Let's make sure that they see. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Get it on there. Twist it. All right, bam.
There you go.
Let's get this thing
Ready?
Yep. Goes and makes a sandwich. We'll speed this part up.
Pressure right here. I have this set to about
Looks like 7 or 8 psi. 7 or 8 psi. You go over 10 psi, it's going to cut up. Stick in this thing. So he says the pump will go to 18 to 20. You don't want to set your kite up because you could blow your bladder. So he's saying under 10, which I would say under 9 really. He's got it just at about 5.
red.
What's this out of? Alright, so we're looking at the red. You want to be under 10. So this is for people who want to live. You can see it's windy today. That's why we're so happy. So how do you know when to, so you're doing it by feel?
I'm doing it well. Yeah. It'll shut off when it gets to that pressure. That's all.
It shuts off at that pressure. Oh, okay, so you just run. You can go make a sandwich. Let's go with one. Bam, done. And it turned off, so let's get it. Wow, it's tight. That's good.
You think it needs more?
I don't think so. You can give it a It's got to give it a
Put a 9.
good 9.
The smaller the kite, the more pressure. So
ready to kite? Sweet. Just like when you're doing the regular kite. There you go. Put your cap on. Get that.
Yeah.
Put your Velcro over it. Make sure you got it shut. And then close all your valves too, just in case. Whoever does that, when he gets a hole out there, he wants the ground. Don't you want to have something to